Have you seen this chocolate bar? It's everywhere online. People can't stop talking about the Dubai chocolate bar. It looks so fancy and delicious. It's like a gold bar but made of chocolate. The Dubai chocolate bar isn't just about looks. People say it tastes incredible. Imagine rich, smooth chocolate with amazing fillings. I had to try it. And you know what? It was even better than I imagined. So, what exactly is this Dubai chocolate bar? It's a luxurious treat. It's made with the finest chocolate, and it has layers of delicious fillings. The chocolate is super smooth and creamy. This is because it's tempered. Tempering means heating and cooling the chocolate to make it shiny and snappy. These bars often have nuts, caramel, or fruit inside. And the best part? They're covered in edible gold leaf. It's a feast for your eyes and your taste buds. Ready to make your own Dubai chocolate bar? Let's get started. Here's what you need. For the ganache, high-quality dark chocolate, chopped, heavy cream, butter, flavorings like vanilla extract or coffee, optional. For the shell, more high-quality dark chocolate for melting, a pinch of sea salt for the finishing touch, edible gold leaf sheets, tools, double boiler or heat-safe bowl and saucepan, parchment paper asterisk, shallow baking dish, small offset spatula or butter knife. First, we make the heart of our chocolate bar, the ganache. 1. Heat the cream. In a saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream over medium heat. You don't want it to boil, just simmer. 1. Pour over chocolate. Pour the hot cream over your chopped chocolate. Let it sit for a minute to melt. 1. Stir it up. Now slowly stir the chocolate and cream together until smooth and glossy. This is your ganache. 1. Add extras. Want extra flavor? Stir in a splash of vanilla extract or even some strong coffee. 1. Chill out. Pour your ganache into a container lined with parchment paper. Let it cool completely in the fridge. This will take a few hours. Now let's make that beautiful chocolate shell. Melt your remaining chocolate using a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl over a pan of simmering water. Keep stirring so it melts evenly. To make the chocolate shiny and snappy, we need to temper it. Don't worry, it's easy. Once the chocolate is melted, let it cool slightly. Then, put a spoonful on a cold plate. If it sets quickly and has a nice shine, you're good to go. Line your shallow baking dish with parchment paper. Pour a thin layer of the melted chocolate into the dish. Spread it evenly with your offset spatula. Pop the dish into the fridge for about 15 minutes or until the chocolate is firm. Time to put it all together. Take your chilled ganache and spread it evenly over the chocolate base in the dish. Leave a small border around the edges. Want some extra texture? Sprinkle chopped nuts, toffee bits, or dried fruit over the ganache. Pour another layer of melted chocolate over the ganache, completely covering it and the edges. Smooth it out with your spatula. Put the whole thing back in the fridge for at least an hour to set completely. Now for the luxurious part, edible gold leaf is delicate. Gently lift a sheet using a dry brush or your fingers. Lay the gold leaf over the set chocolate. You can use one large sheet or smaller pieces for a more artistic look. Once the gold leaf is in place, gently press it down with the back of a spoon or your fingers. This helps it adhere to the chocolate. Your homemade Dubai chocolate bar is ready. Carefully lift it from the dish using the parchment paper, then cut it into bars using a sharp knife. Take a bite and savor the experience. You'll taste the rich, smooth ganache, the snap of the tempered chocolate, and maybe a bit of crunch from your chosen filling. The edible gold leaf adds a touch of luxury and a subtle hint of sweetness. See? Making your own Dubai chocolate bar is easier than you thought. Now you can impress your friends and family with this impressive treat. Share the love and offer them a taste of your homemade luxury. I bet they'll be asking for more. Send me pictures of your creations. I can't wait to see them. Happy chocolate making.